Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway. It's been a while. I haven't really done anything much this year on the railway loft. I started a new job 1st of January and I have been quite busy with that. Anyway, I'm not going to promise that we're going to post a lot of videos coming up, but I will try to get some videos out. I want to start doing some things. I've got a long list of things to do. I will maybe post another video with some of that list and go through what I really want to get done, if I can start to do it in the next couple of months, and I will post videos as I do some work. Today, though, just for a little bit of fun, I was in my local Menards, and they have their, it's HO, of course not double O, but they have their limited editions that come out every so often, and this Cripple Creek Oil and Gas Nodding Donkey was there, so I picked it up. I want to make a few changes to it because, you know, it's even though it's kind of American in style, it will work well, I think. I don't think they're that different the world over. On the other hand, the people in here are a little on the modern side, so I'm going to replace them with some Model U characters. And this actually is a working model, so I'm going to plug it in and we can see it operational, and then we'll work it from there. So let me do that next. So interestingly, these run off a 4.5 volt supply, not a 12 volt. So I do have a 4.5 volt supply that currently feeds another Menards model, the spaceship that you can see running there. And so I need to get an extension wire for where I'm going to put this on the layout. But as you can see there, it's quite nice the way it runs. So let me unbox it, make a few changes, and it'll go on the, I know exactly where it's going to go on the layout, so I'll come back. So welcome to one very messy workbench. I need to tidy this up too. And get this open, I need to get these staples out. Does not want to come out. There we go. So let's take a closer look at this. So hopefully you can see this. It's got some very nice detail in it. This wire mesh on the cage is nice, and the whole nodding donkey mechanism works really nicely. So I don't really think I need to do a lot to this, apart from I'm going to replace these two figures with some Model U figures that I have that are of a better what's the word, era, because I certainly don't model anything this modern. So here I have a whole slew of Model U figures, and I think what I want to actually use probably would be a local crew, but I think I can use a couple of these. Just somebody with an oil can there, and Well, so let's get those other ones off and decide which ones I'm going to use. I think to get these off, we'll just literally just snap them. Well, they come right off, no problem. I don't really think I can use these for anything else, but there's, as I say, well, those are the two Model U figures. One of them's got an oil can. I think they look good, and let me get those painted up and put onto the diorama. So when I'm painting these little tiny Model U figures, I use these makeup brushes. They're kind of disposable. Buy them on Amazon in a pack of 50 for very little money, and they work great for these tiny little models. And the other thing that I do, I don't know if this is going to focus, so I use these basically just a little alligator clip on a cocktail stick, and that way I can easily move them around while I paint them. So there's my Model U characters painted up. I think they look reasonably good. I'll be fine from a couple of feet away. I'm not going to get that close to them. I'm going to put a couple of dots of super glue on here, and hopefully we can get our guys to stand up. Oh, there's my two new figures. Looking pretty good. Now let's go put this on the layout. Here is the nodding donkey running on the layout. And I think you'll see that my change in the figures there worked quite well. And I think it kind of looks good just sitting there. Obviously I need to finish more landscaping here, but I think it'll work well in that position on the layout. Let me zoom in a little. Ooh. Well, I hope you liked that little adventure with the nodding donkey. I think the result was pretty good. Please like the video if you liked it, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I know I haven't posted much recently, but I'm going to hopefully rectify that. And there should be another video to the top left, I believe, and a subscribe button to the top right. Thanks.